Hey there! Looking at how to quickly import or export products on Shopify? We have a solution. Introduce Shopify Sync Master, a powerful migration app for the Shopify store. With our app, you can easily import or export all the necessary data from your product catalog quickly, as 1, 2, 3. Let's see how it works. Select the import or export operation to start. Perform the basic settings for importing or exporting. Note that you can import products from various sources or services. Filter products and fields for export or import processes. Pay attention! You can create custom fields and use the custom formulas. Create automatic tasks and use the save templates for quick operations. Monitor your task performance in real time. You'll see detailed information and status. Try it now for free. Let the Sync Master app free you from manually managing your product catalog on Shopify. See you later, and thanks for watching!